All right, today we're going to unbox the SmartieParts 9Xtreme add-on board to the, I guess, the Turnigy 9X transmitter and a couple other transmitters that follow that same line of transmitter. So this is the package we got today in the mail. Feels bubble wrapped, not too large, sealed up. Pop it open here. See what we have inside. Okay, there it is, SmartieParts. Not the basic, but the extreme. Looks to be fairly intact, no damage. Nothing holding it on other than just the friction. Let's lift the lid here, see what we get. Okay, there are our 9Xtreme stickers that we got. And let's see what else. A little foam piece there. Okay, looks like a 10, maybe a 12, 11 cable there. Let's see here. That. There's our LED, our LCD background. There's that cable. A little bag of goodness here. The plastic standoffs and screws, I believe, that were mentioned in the recent email I got about the installation instructions. There's our badge to replace the Turnigy 9X one. And this is our backlit LCD screen. Another piece of protective. Oh, that's the foam that goes in the transmitter. I remember reading about that. So I guess a little thinner than what is in there now. And here is, believe that to be our FR Sky connection for the DHT DIY module. And there's our board. Spin this around here. Nice printing on the board. Looks pretty good. I don't see any ugly solder. Everything looks fairly neat on here. And that's probably the last thing in the box. Let me see here. Tap it out here. See if it wants to come out. There we go. And that's it. That's the only thing in there left is that the board itself. Oh, hidden goodness underneath. Let's look at the back of the board first. All the solder joints look nice. Oh, we've got to put that battery. I think I still need to get the battery, and I think I have an SD card laying around somewhere. So that's the back of the board. Okay, and we have our speaker in here. So we can get our Turnigy 9X to start telling us what it wants to say. It's been silent up to this point. And there is our USB little chip thing we sit. I guess we're supposed to put it in our battery bay. Goes in there. Slides into a corner or something, from what I remember seeing on the instructions. So that's about it. There are all of our pieces, and I'm anxious to break open the 9X again. Last time I had it open was when I put the module inside, and this should turn it into a beast of a radio. I will try to get an installation video up as soon as I get a battery and get a card and get the time. Thanks for watching my video.